What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Hedera Hashgraph and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. Only 20% of viewers are subbed, so please tap that big red subscribe button. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, Hedera was actually having a very nice run up yesterday. We actually ran, if we take a look at the start of the day here, we actually ran from around 23 cents all the way up to around 27 cents, which was a nice 15 or 16% gain. But obviously the market-wide correction that we saw, because of Elon Musk tweeting out some more FUD about Bitcoin, essentially has led to the market correcting again. We've currently been ranging inside this area for Hedera between around 28 cents and 20 cents for quite literally almost a month at this point. Ever since the 19th of May when we had this big correction to the downside, we've been slowly coiling and bouncing around inside this range, as we can quite clearly see here. It does look as though Hedera is still descending inside of this channel that we outlined here. But as we said in our previous video, it does look as though things are coming to sort of a crossroads, as you can quite clearly tell. As somewhat of a pennant is being formed with this larger macro bull flag and also the blue macro trend line. They're going to butt into each other at some point very soon. And if that's the case, we're probably going to see a break to either the upside or the downside in a big way, in our opinion. And we do think that if this breaks to the upside, then obviously the target for Hedera will be the top of the bull flag where it was formed, which is around 45 cents. So we're optimistic that this can still happen. Obviously, it looks like we came up and pretty much basically touched this macro bull flag upward resistance of the flag here, as you can see. And it looks as though we may have actually come up and touched this, maybe tested it properly, but obviously the FUD came at the exact perfect time. And the wider market started correcting. And as we can see, we've actually started coming to the downside again, which is quite frustrating that the market can be manipulated in such a way by Elon Musk just tweeting one thing about Bitcoin, and the market dumped around $3,000 or $4,000 for Bitcoin, which is quite frustrating when we saw Bitcoin was potentially about to test 40k again and potentially break it. Considering all the good momentum that we've had recently. But it looks as though things are looking pretty good for Hedera. We're making higher lows, as we can see here, and it does look as though things are starting to come upwards and recover in a kind of trend like this. Obviously Hedera has been in a downtrend for some time, even before the market-wide correction on the 19th, but it does look as though things are coming to a head now, and we would probably be looking at potentially some kind of breakout for Hedera very soon. As you can see, we're almost perfectly 50% retracement from the all-time high off the back of this massive pump, which seems like a very this is a very typical number that you get for retracements. I think I'm going to sneeze. Maybe not. So we got the 50% retracement from the all-time high and from this big pump that we saw for Hedera, which is quite a typical amount of retracement that you see with a lot of things before they basically coil. As we've been seeing here, we've actually been coiling inside of this bull flag, so coiling to the downside. But it does look as though we're forming this wider bull pennant, as we did say. The update for today for Hedera is that we were seeing some very nice upwards price movement, as we can see. As we said, the price moved all the way up on the recent bounce, basically around 35%, or it was up around 16% in the past day or so. But as we see, quite clearly we've been getting some downwards momentum because of the wider market here. So we've come back and retested these levels here at around 22 cents and found a nice bottom. So hopefully looking for a bounce here. It does look as though we may be about to flip bearish on the EMAs, which wouldn't be a good sign, because that'd probably mean that we'd be going back down to retest these levels again here. Maybe we'll hold this macro blue trend line at 21 cents, but what's most likely the case is that we'll probably come down and hit these levels here at around 20 cents. So things looking pretty much the same for Hedera for the past few weeks, as we can see here. We do get a lot of requests for Hedera, so we thought that we'd cover it again now. But there's not much to report, aside from the fact that we're ranging inside of this channel here. We're still inside this macro descending bull flag that seems to be just continuing to the downside, but it does look as though we're bouncing off and respecting this blue macro trend line as well. So just to summarize, we'd say that we're going to come to a head fairly soon, where basically we'll either hit the we'll either respect this blue macro trend line, or the channel will be continued. So in either instance, what will happen is we'll either break down below this blue channel if there's any more bad news in the market, or if there's good news and the market continues its positive sentiment of the past week or so, where we're slowly recovering, then we're probably going to see Hedera retest this channel. And if we can break out of it, then we said the price target would be 41 cents, which is is it 41? 45 cents, my apologies. 45 cents, which is where the bull flag was formed. So the long-term price target, we do think that Hedera can hit $5 to $10 by the end of the bull run, which we do believe will be in around 6, 7, 8 months from now. I think we're around halfway through and we're having a big cooling off period before another leg up. But long term, like 5 to 10 years, Hedera could be anywhere from $20 to $100 in our opinion, considering the amount of utility that it's probably going to be based on its network. If it gets used for CBDCs, then there's probably going to be a massive hike up in price as well. We are very bullish on Hedera long term, and we do think it's going to be a top quality project. So we're holding this bag for a very long term to see what happens. We feel like it's a very good hedge into something that's potentially going to get a huge amount of adoption. The technology is really good. Obviously, the community is amazing, and the amount of partners and integrations it has with basically big companies running nodes as well. We do think this is a project that has a lot of adoption and backing already, so we're very bullish on it long term, and we do think it's a quality project. So that's our update on Hedera today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Hbar by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.